rainbow one, and they all get to decorate their party hat. How about that?
Mm-hmm.
That would be fun, right?
That's a good idea.
Mommy,
Yeah?
let's do more. Let's check out more things we could do for my party. Oh, remember I did something. I told you something we could do for my birthday party yesterday when we were walking home from the park.
Yeah, what was the one you were talking about? Which one?
Get ice cream
Oh, right.
on my birthday.
Well, didn't we talk about your cake? So you
Yeah,
wanted-
maybe we could buy an ice cream cup, and then when we get home, we could take our ice cream off the stick. We could make it into soft stuff,
Mm-hmm.
and then already we could smear it onto the cake.
Smear what? Ice cream onto the cake?
The must have ice cream onto the cake.
That's gross.
No, it's not.
That sounds gross.
It's not.
It's not gross.
It's not gross. I'm sure it's gross.
I liked your other idea for the cake. Vanilla cake with chocolate filling and chocolate icing with strawberries and chocolate chips.